by the politicians. Because the documentation, so it's all there, it's topsy-turvy. Okay? The American
video guys. I'm making Mexican rice guys. 2 cups of rice.
Look, you got juice. You got tea.
So guys, sanod na ko ang mais guys. So kami manalo sa connection sa ngayon. Kuan sauce. Tomato sauce. Luno na ito ang 2 cups. So, 2 cups of rice. Granulated garlic and salt. And then I put beef boiling. And then I'm gonna mix it and lower the heat. Lamig siya. And let's lower the pinaka-low na heat. So, yun siya. Ayan. Ayan na yan ang ating. At tatakpan lang natin guys. Pinaka-low. Ayan siya guys. Very lamig na siya guys. Diba? At talagyan ko ng lemon pepper. Oh, diba? It's all Mexican food. The sauce is very spicy. Tamale, tacos, and Mexican rice.